Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another 3/4 Designs design team layout. We are using the additional kit that came in July. It is Captured Moments. We're going to do these two photos here of Meg's model debut. So my stepdaughter Whitney, as a part of her senior year, was in economics class where they had to start up their own business, and she did a dog, it was called Dog Dana. So Maggie got to go to the events and model, because Maggie, out of her mom's dogs and our dogs, Maggie is the only one that is really docile enough and doesn't care about all the peoples and not hyper. So she just kind of hung out and was like Maggie. But this is what I mean by when I say my dog's head. That's why we call her Peanut versus this big body. Look how widow this head is. But I mean, when you look at her like this, she looks fine, but it's just this one angle where she looks like her head's too small for her body. Anyway, fun fact. So we're gonna bring in the circle cutter today and play with that. I'm running out of room here. So I like this one because of, so we're going to pull that in. Let's move that over there. And then I think we're going to use this, and we're going to cut a big circle out of it and tuck it into that. And then I want to use, I've got this over here. I think I could use that piece. What else do we have? How big are, well, those are not even close to big enough. Okay, so I think we're going to use those. Oh, I did. I took the... Alright. So... we're going to trim the branding strip off of this guy. I'm going to make this 12 by 12. Okay. I want this to be the circle to fit here, and then we're gonna pop the two photos in and we're gonna figure something out. Or do we want, I think we make the circle out of this because that'll be a contrast. So how big can we get this circle to be? Really is the question. Oh, we could go super big. Okay. I think we'll do, let's just do 8. So let's get this stuck in there. It really is better if you do it like this. Oh, we were so close. We were so close to getting it. But I let up, so that's okay. Put that to the side. And I was like, and I'm going to scuff it up, so the fact that we just slightly... Let's go from this angle. That way I can actually see the circle. Okay, and then we're going to scuff that up, but this is going to go right here in the middle. And then we're going to build the clusters up around it. So I want to take, we're going to make this into a banner piece. Let's just go, if we do 5 1/4. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it just a smidge off over here. Then we're going to take this to a 5 1/4. No, there you go. 4 I don't know if you noticed that, but I slightly went off the rails on that. I shifted my hand. And then we want to make this, instead of 12, we're going to take 1 inch off. So we're going to make this 11, and we're going to banner this on both sides. And how I do the banner is all I do is just simply, I mean, I guess, no. I was thinking of something, but we're not going to do it. I just pinch right here, and I hold it, even though it's going to be creased right there. Then you have a perfectly equal, and I am very weird about that, you guys. Like it has to. So then we're just going to go just the same. And then you have a very nice big banner piece. That's going to come right here. Okay. And then that is not enough of a contrast. So I need a darker. But I don't want the brown. And what if we pull in that piece? Yeah. To do, because then I'm going to set that on top of here. So that was, we need to go this way. So we're just going to do it. No measuring on that one. And I'm going to take my quarter rounder because we got round corners. So where's my big Mamba guy? Let's go here. I'm just going to get those corners rounded because I think that's fun. And I'm always trying to look to use my tools that I haven't used in a while, right? And then that is going to sit kind of like that. And then we're going to put our pictures on. I'm going to trim them down. I'm not going to be able to go in any. But this one's got me in there, so let's just take a little bit of me off, and we'll take Meg's tail off. We'll get to that. Slightly come in just to crop it because we just want to get those stuck in there. And this one, take a full inch off over there. And we're just going to set that next to there. I know it looks kind of silly, but it's all right. And then we have, I'll do that green. to mat my photos in this. I hope there's enough. Yeah. We'll take a little bit more of Whitney's head off, can't we? Like, very little. But I don't want to take off her snoot. Alright. And we can just take off a little bit more of Meg's down here. Okay. So we've got that. And then we've got that, which now we can mat. So I'm going to mat those, scuff this up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this all down, and everything is scuffed as you can see. And we are popped up the photos, just kind of tucked in there, so I think that looks really good. Now we're going to come in with some of the elements. So this I fussy cut out, and I'm going to tuck it right here from one of the cards. I did go ahead and pop things up on foam because obviously, as you can see, that was quite a fun time, right? Now you're probably going, you left that one big circle without any. I know. Or this circle. That's a square. I know my shapes. I'm just going to come in and make sure that I add a little bit of adhesive, and I thought it would be fun to put, let's see, I want to put this captured moments on there, and I'm just going to go right across the photo. We're going to stick that right there, then we're going to stick the captured moments on top of it. Okay. And put this little brown camera. We're going to tuck it in. Well, I have to take a portion of that off just so that it slides in how I want it to do. Right there. There was another, there it is, little piece that I think that we want to come in. And I always start cutting things in half because if I'm going to tuck it, I don't want to waste it, right? Like this can totally be used in several different places. So kind of like that. Then we've got this roll of films. Come and tuck that right there as well. The flowers. Don't know if we'll be able to use that, but I do want to take this camera and tuck it right there, right? Okay, so bring in some of the black elements up. I've got this guy. This is actually, fun fact, going to be the title, which is Photograph What You Love, because my husband is taking the picture. And it's me, Whit, and Magos. I figure we'll put this one right down here. Okay. I've pulled this as well. I like it there. Because it kind of matches what we've got going on. I'm not going to use these two pieces. And I think the only thing that we need is some beading, but what color do we want to use? Or some like gems, you know? think we'll go with those. So they're all the same size, which is totally okay. So we're just gonna scatter those around the layout. And that's gonna do it, you guys. So let's see. Don't forget to head on over and check out 3/4 Designs. They give you everything that you need to create 3/4 of your layout. So that's where the name comes in. I think that's just really a cool name, actually. I really want to put one there. And then let's go here. So like I said, they're all the same size, so I'm not even having to dig through this little pile here. I think that's way easier for me. But I really like to use up my items. So whenever I can incorporate any kind of stash. So that's 3. Let's put one there. And we'll get one over there, and then that gives us 5 because I'm obsessed with the odd numbers because, you know, that's the rule. I don't know why. Design element rule is always about the odds. Probably should have scuffed the edges of that and that up, but it's okay. And then we've got some sparkle and shine in there, which is fun. So that is gonna do it. So don't forget to, like I said, check out 3/4 Designs, and I will be back next month with the newest collection. So stay tuned for the fabulous reveals. Thank you guys for hanging out. Bye.